Smart riders know that positioning on the road is a matter of survival, not just convenience. Here are 10 reasons why stopping directly behind another vehicle can put you at risk. Number 1, limited escape routes. When you stop directly behind a car, you're boxed in. If a vehicle barrels towards you from behind, your options to swerve or accelerate out of danger are gone. Smart riders always leave a diagonal path open, either to the left or right, so they can react instantly. And better yet, if you position yourself in one of these spots when you stop, you'll have that much quicker reaction time to get out of there. Number 2, reduced visibility to drivers behind. Motorcycles are already harder to spot, and when you're tucked behind a car, you virtually disappear from a driver's line of sight. This increases the chance they won't slow down in time or at all. Number 3, blocked view of traffic ahead. You lose the ability to anticipate what's coming. Whether it's a sudden stop, a pedestrian crossing, or debris in the road, you're relying entirely on the car in front to react first. That delay could cost you your life. Number 4, risk of rollback collisions. On hills or inclines, drivers, especially those in manual cars, can roll back unexpectedly when starting up. If you're too close, the car could roll right back into you. And motorcycles don't have crumple zones. Number 5, target and chain collisions. In a rear-end pileup, the rider sandwiched between vehicles often takes the worst damage. If you've ever trained with me in person, you might have heard me talk about being the cream filling in the Oreo cookie and how that's not where you want to be. Cars have bumpers and airbags. You don't. Staying offset reduces your chances of being caught in the crush. Number 6, exhaust and debris exposure. Stopping behind a vehicle means you're breathing in exhaust fumes and getting sprayed with road grime. It's uncomfortable, unhealthy, and unnecessary. Positioning slightly to the side helps you avoid the worst of it. Number 7, driver distraction or aggression. Some drivers don't check their mirrors. Others might get annoyed if they feel you're tailgating. Either way, you're relying on their awareness and temperament, neither of which are guaranteed. Number 8, no room for maneuvering. If traffic suddenly stops or a hazard appears, you need space to react. Being directly behind a car limits your ability to lane split, swerve, or even put your foot down safely. Number 9, false sense of security. It might feel safer to blend in with traffic, but that's a dangerous illusion. Motorcycles require different positioning strategies to stay visible and agile. You're not a car. Don't act like one. Number 10, missed opportunities for strategic positioning. Smart riders use every stop as a chance to position themselves for maximum visibility and escape potential. That means stopping offset, scanning mirrors, leaving your bike in first gear, and staying alert, not just waiting passively. But what do you think? Are there any other reasons you shouldn't stop directly behind a car in front of you? Let us know in the comments, like the video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.